Greetings. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank each of you who participated in the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop hosted by the Renaissance Church of Christ Singles Group Focus on June 3rd. We had a great time and a powerful experience. The feedback immediately following the event, during dinner on Sunday after church service, and on our weekly singles video conference was, "We need part 2." When we were scheduled to do the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop last year, and were told that we would only have 4 hours to present, we already knew that we were not going to be able to complete the workshop. Every time we have presented this workshop, we struggled to complete it because we encourage input from our participants. As it turns out, no encouragement is necessary because people want to, in fact need to, talk about their experiences with relationships. Several individuals stated that they were impressed at how open people were to discuss their experiences. It was also noted that those men who shared their thoughts were especially appreciated. People need help. So to this end, we are happy to announce that we will present the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop Part 2 via Zoom video conference during the month of July on 4 consecutive Thursday evenings at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Central Time, beginning July 6th. The call will last exactly 1 hour each Thursday, so plan to be on time. We will take up where we left off, that is, we will begin at Let the Healing Begin. Following that, we will discuss rediscovery, moving on, and end with Ready for the Journey. You will find a QR code at the end of this video that will direct you to the registration. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me either via email or call. All of my contact information is on your screen. There is a one-time $10 fee to register if you are not a member of the Renaissance Church of Christ. You can use Zelle to make your fee payment, 214-202-7968, or use our Cash App also shown at the end of this video. Please help us spread the word. Share this video with everyone you know who could use some direction. Also, please encourage those individuals who are enjoying a great relationship to join us as well. See you on the 6th of July. Again, scan the QR code at the end to register. One last thought. Whether you attended the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop in person or via Zoom video conference on June 3rd, there is a need for you to register for Part 2 of the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop. So please scan the QR code at the end of this video in order to be able to register so that you can participate in the upcoming Part 2 of the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop. And by the way, this is the most exciting part of the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop because we will be discussing how to heal from past relationships, how to avoid making the same mistakes that you made in the past, how to recover from those bad relationships, and then how to seek direction moving forward. So please make sure you scan the QR code at the end of the video and register so that we will be able to see you on July 6th for the second part, Part 2 of the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop. Take care, God bless, and we look forward again to seeing you on July 6th. Goodbye.